Torrential rainfall has wreaked havoc and brought life to a standstill in Telangana. Traffic was disrupted in parts of the state after streams overflowed, washing away roads and also part of a bridge while inundating some highways. IMD said that Hyderabad, along with 7 other districts, will remain under red alert on Thursday. With the intensity of the monsoon rains decreasing in several regions of Karnataka, the river water levels have receded after Monday's record of the highest water levels. The IMD has issued a red alert for the coastal districts of the state. Members of the parliament from the opposition bloc India are protesting against the PM Modi-led central government over the law and order situation in Manipur. Reports said that they have decided to avoid sloganeering against responses by select ministers. According to sources, opposition MPs, as part of their floor strategy, have decided to let some ministers, including Nitin Gadkari, respond to the House without disruptions on specific issues. However, the opposition has also been preparing to intensify their attack in parliament against the government and has a plan in place to raise the Manipur issue during start questions. After witnessing heavy rainfall for more than a week, Mumbai is facing another episode of extremely heavy rainfall. The IMD has issued a red alert for the Mumbai city and suburban area from 8 p.m. on Wednesday till Thursday afternoon. Incessant rain lashed parts of Mumbai, which prompted the IMD to upgrade the orange alert to red for the financial capital from Wednesday night till Thursday afternoon. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation or BMC said that all schools, colleges and municipal offices will remain shut in Mumbai and its suburbs in view of the heavy rainfall predicted by the weather department in the city. The civic body further urged all citizens to stay alert, stay indoors and follow instructions from the administration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has promised an unprecedented growth of the country during his third term in power. On Wednesday, the Indian Premier sent out a message of development and growth at the inauguration of Delhi's revamped Pragati Maidan. On Wednesday, the Indian Premier sent out a message of development and growth at the inauguration of Delhi's revamped Pragati Maidan. He said that the economic growth will keep pace with the country's aspirations. The International Exhibition cum Convention Centre, now renamed Bharat Mandapam, also became the site of a political pitch ahead of next year's general election as PM Modi compared the growth of last 9 years with the cumulative growth of 6 decades since independence. There was a dig at the opposition as well.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.